Question is whether I keep going through those divots. Let's do some paper. And flip it over and go scratchy. We're going to do this for a while. Let's see that. Yeah. That's what I want. Nice and smooth. get all the dust and junk off of it. Actually, I'm going to shear this off at that line. So I want to cut off 5/8. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, that's pretty. Bam, 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 bam. Need to put some more in there soon. 500-year-old white oak, English oak. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. So there you have it. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. This is the third video in the series, and if you have questions about what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, I've got a whole how-to video on the channel. There's links to it down below. And also, if you do want to see me do this whole thing in one solid video, I will have a video coming out where we'll just put it all together rather than having a series. I just wanted to get the videos out so people could see what's going on. This thing has taken me almost 3 years to make, and I'm actually not going to get to keep it. I'm giving this away to the owner of it. I promised him I would make it for him about 3 years ago, and after several attempts and finally getting it, we have a plane that I can deliver. And yeah, this thing is seriously cool, and I'm looking forward to finding out if he likes it. I think he will. So if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, throw those down below. That helps out the channel. Anytime you do, comment down below. Even if you're one of those people who just put comment down below, thank you. It helps us grow, helps us get in front of more people, and it's just a fantastic thing. So if you want to find out more about that or join these people over here and really help out the channel, because these are some of the people on Patreon. They are the ones who completely sponsor this channel. We are sponsored by you. We're not sponsored by some company who wants me to show off some tool that they have. We get to talk about what I want to talk about and what the patrons want to talk about. So if you'd like to find out more about that and get some special perks along that line, think about becoming a patron on Patreon. There's links to that down below. But I think that will do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Often you'll hear this referred to as a dovetail plane due to the dovetails on the side. Unfortunately, it doesn't make dovetails.